So how are people going to afford to pay for rent? New York City is now a $5,000 a rent city. It's the most expensive city in the world. Mind you that. I eat a garlic every day because it detoxifies my livers. But it's also good for your body.
I can't figure that out, actually.
Hello everyone, this is Panda. We at the Lexington hardware store. And I came to this hardware store and got my parts that I needed temporarily because it just broke the wagon. Oh, that Panda. And so far, the guy gave me the right part that I needed in the washer. So therefore, this is a 5.5 inch bolt. And I got a washer that's acting like a bearing. So therefore, it doesn't wobble, as you can see. And the gentleman was so nice inside the hardware store. So I want to give him a shout out on the YouTube channel. But thank you for helping me. And actually, thanking me for helping me save a discount. Because these other hardware stores are really... I bought the same bolt for $12 somewhere else. He sells it to me for $2. So, yeah, goes to show you that New York City, people are pricing things unethically for people to afford them. But this guy in this hardware store, amazing buddy, everybody. So if you want to come here, it's located on East 62nd and Lexington Avenue, right across the street from Smash Burgers. This is there's like a spirit and wine, a CBD dispensary, a Japanese restaurant fusion right next to it. You can't miss it. It's 89 Lexington Avenue. So thank you for helping me fix the wagon, friend. It really does help, and hopefully he does see this video, and hopefully he does see that like he really is trying to make a difference and helping people. But yeah, this is celebrating 89 years. I'm sorry. So the address is, what's the address on here? I don't know, but I'm gonna go with 797 Lexington Avenue. So guys, show some love to the hardware guy that owns the place, man. It really shows. It's about to rain on me as well. Oh my Panda, I have the worst birthday ever. Everybody, here's the Honda S2000. Oh, look at that baby. She is looking spunky. Beautiful headlights, beautiful grille. The white body is pretty nice. The color yellow, I'm not a big fan of yellow, but man, that yellow looks really good with those rims. With that black, ooh, sexy.